Hello everyone, this is Rahul from Gulf Tech. Now I'm going to discuss about the best way to use Google Drive, or rather maximize the usage of Google Drive for your business if you're already on Google Apps. Now everybody knows that Google Drive comes along with Google Apps, and now every user gets by default 5 GB of storage capacity. Now, I'm going to talk about few things which will help you to maximize the usage of Google Drive for your business. If your users are not using it, then this is the right moment, because Google just announced the integration of Google Drive with Gmail, which means now you can attach files and folders from Google Drive directly into your email and share it and send it to the world. So with that, you can actually send out an attachment up to 10 GB if you wish to. Now, how do you do that? Number one, first of all, this is where you go to the Google Drive from your webmail in the top black universal bar, and what you will see is the Google Drive. This is how it looks like. Now, the first thing I would suggest is, if you're using a Mac or a Windows, please ensure that you download this Google Drive software. Ensure that it is your laptop or your desktop. Do not download and configure it on somebody else's machine. So this is strictly something which you should use it for your personal laptop or computer which you're using, not somebody else. Now, once you install this, it will basically ask you for an authentication. You just do the authentication, and then it will take it forward from there. Now you can see that once it is authenticated, it is going to check for the storage capacity, the preferences, and other things. You can set your preferences. My suggestion, you can select the typical folders which you want to sync with your desktop, or you can leave it if you want to connect it to all the folders. You can also enable and disable the option of sync all the Google Docs files if you wish to, and that's it. So these are the basic settings which it provides. Now, what does the software do? This software basically enables you to have a feeling of a Google Drive being available locally. So if you are used to something called map drive or a shared folder from your local network, now this will act exactly the same way. So as you can see that I have Google Drive in my D drive, and from there I can actually access all the folders and files. The structure is exactly the same as it is appearing on Google Web Drive. So if you can see here, my drive looks exactly similar. Of course, all the folders are not visible here because I've chosen selected folders and files to be synced. So this is the beauty of it. So if I drop a file here or a folder here, it automatically gets synced up on the system, and it also gets synced up on my mobile device. Mobile device could be a mobile phone which is on Android, or an Apple, or a tablet based on Android, or again iPad. So once the files and folders are there, you can attach it to your Gmail. So that's the good thing about it. Now, I would suggest you do few things. Number one, maintain structures of folders. Share folders based on the hierarchy. So for example, if something which is important and personal, do not share it, and try to keep it at the root level. If you want to share something which is a folder, entire folder structure or a tree, keep it onto a root folder, and then add all the subfolders and give the permission at the root level. This will help you to save all the hassles of sharing every folder to everybody again and again. Just give the permission, and anything you want to share in future with anybody, just add the file and folder in that particular folder which is already shared with the people. So this is how you can maximize the use. Now, my suggestion to all the administrators is, you can actually go out and plan your storage on the cloud or file servers on the cloud. Now, the prices which you want is listed out here. This is per user per month pricing. Now everybody gets 5 GB. If you find that you have users who need more than 5 GB, you can select them and you can add different levels of licensing to them. And these are the pricing. So it's as cheap as for 50 GB extra use storage, it is just $7.50 per month per user. So it is really cheap. Make use of this, and you can actually send up to 10 GB of attachments in a single email using this storage systems. Okay, so if you have any other further questions and you want to purchase more licenses on Google Drive for your Google Apps domain, please get back to us. Drop an email on support@gulfinfotech, or if you want to purchase licenses, drop an email at sales@gulfinfotech.com, and will be more than happy to support you on this. Thanks a lot.